Hello learners, in this video we are going to understand the concept of letter writing. So let's get started. First of all, we will understand what is a letter. So a letter is a written statement from one person to another. It can be formal or informal. Now understand the types of letter. So mainly there are two types of letter. The first is formal letter and the second is informal letter. Formal letter can be written to your teacher, principal, officers or any other official purposes. And informal letter can be written to your friends, family members, relatives, neighbors, etc. Now understand the format of letter writing. Follow the format for writing formal letter. First of all, write sender's address on top left. Then write date below the address. Then write receiver's address, whom you are writing to. Then write subject, one line about the letter. Then write salutation, dear sir or madam, respected principal, etc. Then write body, content of the letter in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you will write introduction, that why you are writing the letter. In second paragraph, write details, explain the matter in details. And in third paragraph, you will write conclusion by request or thanks. Then write closing by yours sincerely or faithfully, and at last put signature and your name. Now let's have an example of a formal letter. See the question. Write a letter to your principal requesting for leave for 2 days. So as per the format, first of all we will write sender's address. So here we are writing 12 Nehru Nagar, Nagpur 440018. Then we'll write date. After that we will write receiver's address. So here we are writing the principal, Model English School, Nagpur. Then write subject, request for 2 days leave. Then write salutation, respected sir. Then we will write letter's body in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph we will write introduction. I am a student of class 8, section B. I am suffering from fever since yesterday. The doctor has advised me to take rest for 2 days. Then we will write details in second paragraph. Therefore, I kindly request you to grant me leave on 30th September and 1st October 2025. In third paragraph, we will write conclusion. I shall be highly obliged. Then write closing. Yours obediently. Then your name, Rohit Sharma, class 8B. Now let's understand the format of an informal letter. So, while writing informal letter, first of all we have to write sender's address on top left. Then date. Then salutation, dear mother, dear friend, dear brother, etc. Then write body. Here the body will be freestyle, friendly, opening by greetings, and main content will have news sharing, etc. Then write ending with good wishes, love. Then closing, yours lovingly, affectionately, etc. Then your name. Now let's have an example of an informal letter. So the question is, write a letter to your friend telling him about your new school. So here we'll write the answer. First of all we'll write address 45 Civil Lines, Bhopal 4620002. Date. Then salutation, dear Ankit. We'll start the letter by writing in a friendly way, just like I hope you're fine and doing well in your studies. I am writing this letter to tell you about my new school. In second paragraph, we'll share the details. It is a big school with modern classroom, a computer lab and a large playground. The teachers are very helpful and friendly.
I have made many new friends here and we play cricket during recess. In third paragraph, we will write ending with good wishes. I miss you a lot. Please visit me during your holidays. Convey my regards to uncle and auntie. Then at last we'll write yours lovingly, Rahul. So, my dear learners, now it's your turn to practice what we have learned today. Here's your homework for today's lesson. Write a formal letter. Follow the format: address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, body, closing, and at last name and signature. Write 3 formal letters. Then write 3 informal letters by following the format: address, date, salutation, body, closing, and then name. Then have mixed exercise. Identify whether the following topics required a formal or informal letter. So students, do your homework accordingly.
Learning objectives for letter writing. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to first identify different types of letters, formal and informal, and their purposes. Number 2. Structure a letter logically with correct parts: heading, date, address, salutation, body, complimentary clause, and signature. Number 3. Use appropriate language, tone, and formatting based on the type of letter. 4th. Apply correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling while writing letters. 5th. Write a clear and meaningful message that conveys ideas effectively. 6th. Develop confidence in written communication through practical letter writing tasks. 7th. Draft and revise letters by improving clarity, organization, and presentation. Number 8. Present neat and legible handwriting while writing letters.